Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips.
Hi everyone, and welcome to today's breakfast session, where we'll be preparing a warm and hearty meal that's perfect for a fresh start to your day. We're gonna make a simple yet delicious dish: eggs with tomatoes and fresh green pepper, paired with homemade Afghani bread and a warming cup of sheer chai. The combination of savory eggs, crispy bread, and the aromatic tea is sure to fill your kitchen with enticing smells and your heart with comfort. So let's dive right in and start with the eggs. First, grab your 3 ripe tomatoes. The sweetness and juiciness of fresh tomatoes will bring out a rich flavor when cooked. Start by chopping them into small pieces. Next, take your fresh green pepper. 1 is enough for the dish. Slice it finely so you get little bursts of flavor in every bite. The green pepper will add a mild heat and a lovely crunch. Now, heat a bit of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped tomatoes first. Add a little bit of salt to bring out the juice out of those tomatoes. Let them cook together, stirring occasionally, until the tomatoes release their juices and become soft and slightly caramelized. Then, add the chopped green pepper. Let it saute for a minute or two until it softens slightly. You'll start to smell that fresh, earthy aroma. Now it's time for the star of the show, the egg. Crack 1 large egg into the pan. As the egg starts to set, gently stir with a spatula, pushing the egg white to mix with tomatoes and pepper. Add a pinch of salt to the egg yolk, then cover the pan with a lid. Let the egg yolk be halfway cooked. Now let's move on to the bread. Homemade Afghani bread, or nanian, is simple but adds a lovely touch to any meal. If you've prepared this ahead of time, great. If not, don't worry. Buying some fresh, soft nanian from a local bakery or grocery store works just as well. And finally, let's not forget the sheer chai. And that's it, your breakfast is ready. You've got a plate of soft, fluffy eggs with tomatoes and green pepper, a piece of warm Afghani bread to dip and scoop, and a cup of rich, aromatic sheer chai to wash it all down. This meal is more than just food. It's an experience. The flavors come together to give you a sense of warmth and satisfaction, perfect for starting your day right. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope this breakfast brings comfort and joy to your morning. Enjoy your meal. Please let me know in the comments how yours turned out after you tried this recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, there's always something special about a homemade breakfast. See you soon.
Like and subscribe.